All right, first things first, you should have received an email with your password. And since half the time or most of the time it ends up in the spam inbox, people complain that they've not received it. So you're going to log in, right? If you need to read terms and conditions, please click on here. But once you log in, it is going to send you a security code every single time. So I do suggest after you log in, go ahead and add your phone number so you receive, you know, text messages with the codes rather than this. 'Cause text messages are pretty instant, but that's just my own opinion. I could be wrong. I got my code and I am going to log in. The account is going to look like this, very blank. First and foremost, there are two things that I need you to integrate because that's the most important integrations. We're going to go to settings. We're going to go under integrations and we are going to sign in with Google. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. You just click on it. I don't know if you can see the screen that popped up, but you're going to log in. Once you log into your Gmail account, it's going to ask you to, make sure that you allow all of this and go allow. If you have a Google My Business location and it is tied to the same Gmail address, there should be a drop down here, but this account does not have a Google My Business, so it's not showing. Otherwise, it will show and you can just select it from there. So for now, I'm just going to hit close. So you don't need to worry about selecting any of the account or property or any of these at this time. This is more for Google Ads. So we're going to go next to connect our Facebook. We're going to click here. It's going to open up all the Facebook accounts that are under your profile. If you're not an admin on one, and it's a little confusing these days because of what Facebook has been doing and Facebook has been updating. So if it's not showing you as an admin, then you will not see the pages under your account. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and log in and connect my page. It is going to say continue as your name. So you're going to hit continue. And it is going to give you all the pages that you are an admin of when you drop down. And you just click on connect page and you will be done. I went ahead and I selected one of the pages and then I have not selected an ad account here. Again, you don't need this until we start running your ads. And that's it. This is what needs to be done under integration, these two things.